Hi everyone, in this video we're going to compute this expression here. This is called the difference quotient. So the function is 1 over x, and all we have to do is compute this and carefully simplify it. Okay, let's go through it really carefully. So solution. So I like to start these problems by writing down the formula. So let's do that first. So we have f of x plus h minus f of x all being divided by h. Okay, so now we just carefully have to evaluate this. So what does that mean? So f of x plus h means that you go here where your f of x is, and all you do is you put an x plus h there, okay? So that's what that means, right? F of x is 1 over x. So f of x plus h is 1 over x plus h. So it's 1 over x plus h. This always happens, my equal sign is too high. Minus, and then f of x is 1 over x. There it is, boom. And this is all over h. Okay, this is in parentheses, and it's important to keep that in mind, especially because you have like fractions over fractions. The next step, there's a couple ways to do it. Let me show you the way I do it, which is more commonly done, I think. So on the bottom we have an h, and then here, it's going to be the LCD, so you know it's just going to be this times this, okay? So it's going to be x plus h times x. So I just always write it down, because I know it's going to be that. So you just write that down, multiply it and write it down. So then, how do you know what goes here? Well, check this out. It's 1 times, and then what's missing here to get this? Well, you're missing an x here, right? So it's 1 times what's missing, minus 1 times, and then what's missing here to get what's here. So x plus h. Boom, there it is. I'm going to put this in parentheses. Again, it's 1, and then what's missing here to get the LCD, you're missing an x. Boom, there it is. What's missing here? X plus h. Boom, there it is. This is, let's keep going. I'm going to rewrite it and show every step. Minus x, right, distributing the minus 1, minus h, all over x plus h times x, and there's my equal sign again, all over h. There we go. All right, so this is equal to, the x's cancel, so we get negative h over x plus h times x over h. When you get to this point, just think reciprocal. Whenever we divide by h, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of h. You can think of h as h over 1, so its reciprocal will be 1 over h. So this is negative h over x plus h times x times the reciprocal of h. Well, that's just going to be 1 over h. These cancel, and so we end up with negative 1 over x plus h times x, because the h is cancel. And that is the final answer. So that's how you find the difference quotient for 1 over x. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there who is trying to learn some mathematics. Take care.